Hello, welcome to another video. Today we are discussing how to turn in this case, a tablet, could be a smart device really, including a Chromebook, into a display. It's pretty simple. I personally use spacedesk. This works out really well. If you want distance, TeamViewer is good, you gotta pay for that, and if you're on Android, RustDesk is great. Now, see, what you want to do here is if you want to turn it into a display, say like right next to each other, what you're going to want to do is hit this, spacedesk. Then you're going to see this little driver window? This is for your main machine, mind you. So this is the one you're going to stream to the device. You're going to hit the driver, and in my case, Windows 10 11. Then I have the Windows 10 11 64-bit. I already got it. Spacedesk driver console. See? Right here. Pretty nice. And now, what you're going to want to do is, depending on what device you have, you're going to want to go to your device's dedicated app store. And then, Android apps. In my case, I'm going to use Google Play because I'm an Android user. Spacedesk. Spacedesk. Right here. USB display for PC. And you're going to want to download it and then connect it to the same Wi-Fi as the main thing. Otherwise, if it's not connected to the same Wi-Fi network, it's not going to work. And now we're going to show you how it works from the outside point of view. And here's the outside shot. Hi, hello. Ignore the mess. I'm not very organized. I got ADHD. But you can see you got the spacedesk driver on there. We're going to grab the iPad. Let me lock it. In this case, we're going to use this. And I already have it, which is really nice. But what you're going to do is I already have it on here. It's this one. Spacedesk. Spacedesk viewer. And you can see mine right here if you're on the same Wi-Fi network. That's a big one. And then you see, here's a bunch of cool stuff you can do. These little dots here and then settings. And you can adjust it. Like I got full 1080p. I got somewhat high quality here, 60 FPS. It's not bad. We can go up and hit save. And then now what we can do, watch this, you can see this in real time. And now, here's my computer. And I could use it as a second monitor. Very cool. Then to disconnect, what you would do is go into this little thingy here and hit disconnect. And then hit sure. And that tells you how long you've been disconnected, if it tells you if you did it manually or not. Pretty cool.